All right, today I have the Leica Q3 and I'm going to show you how to switch it to macro mode. So what I have right here, I have the Leica Q3. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. Now I'll turn it on by go ahead and switching that. Battery's charged. Now the macro mode allows you to shoot close-up objects, closer than you can with the normal settings. So if you look at the barrel of the lens with it on right here, you'll see that it says macro right there. Now you'll want to switch it to that. And all you could basically do is you'll take your hand and you'll go ahead and grip the barrel right on the macro ring, and then you'll turn it until it says macro. And you'll see this shift right here and it adjusts for the macro right here. And on the screen, you'll see that it adjusts. So I'm going to go back to normal mode, and you see when I'm spinning it, it says macro ring not in correct position. So if it's not aligned with the dot or the macro, it'll give you this sign right here that the macro ring is not in correct position. So I'm going to take it all the way back to normal mode, and it goes back to normal mode. And then I'm going to spin it that way towards macro. So you go right there, and it goes into macro mode like that. And that is how you take the Leica Q3 in and out of macro mode. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.